all.
Right.
Positioning of the box changes it every month.
Basket is way down there. Kind of a tunnel shot.
There you go. All right, this is Towne Lake in McKinney, Texas.
I'd say the best.
Hole number 1, long tees, not short. See, there's short up there. Some are long.
I'd say the best course of action probably to be a nice controlled forehand, trying to get up close for a nice up shot.
And throw it straight. You'll be all right.
We have a chicken sandwich on the line again. Just gonna point that out there. Bit off to the right, but I'll take it.
Have you seen where it went? I tried.
Essentially, over in that little patch over there, that's where I'm at. Alright, we have Father Fowlkes up here.
All right, what you gonna do right-handed first?
All right.
Go right-handed first.
What you got throwing there, man?
King Cobra.
Nice.
Been a while, but
Oh, right at the base. Jesus.
I thought it would pass.
I think behind me.
Behind you?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice. I got the fancy orange. May as well keep the tradition.
There you go.
I don't know if I caught that.
It don't show where it wound up, but you know I get the flight out and then kind of lose it after that.
It hit a tree root and bounced back towards the center. Thankfully, where my shot would theoretically be.
Just a little rock action.
You want to try to copy me?
Well, you get rock 3. This is a lot more unstable anyway.
I like that line. Bit short,
Throwing
but
it hard enough.
bit short, but still good. Chicken sandwich on the line, game 1.